Well, good morning, folks. Just kind of piddling around this morning. It's 9:24, and I'm fixing to have breakfast with the old Reverend here. The pre-1910 Lodge, otherwise known as the, wait for it, possible Blacklock. There should be no trouble. Anyway, fixing to make some eggs. Got some potatoes in the microwave from last night's dinner. It's gonna go good. Here we go. Alright, I got the eggs in there. These are free range eggs, so sometimes they're fresh, sometimes, well, that's why I break them open individually into a small coffee cup, because you just don't know. And I had two of them that I don't believe were good, but that's all right. These are. Now we're going to get some heat to them, and as it begins to cook, then I'll warm up last night's sliced potatoes, and I'll get that put together, and that'll be breakfast today. And then we'll just kind of go from there. I hope that everyone's doing well and is staying safe while we get through this COVID-19 ordeal. I've got my own opinion about it, but I'm not gonna. This site is not for sharing political opinions and stuff. Excuse me, but it is what it is, and I guess until we get control of things on our own, we're gonna have to deal with this stupid stuff. Anyway, yeah, kind of at a loss for words. You just kind of, I don't know. Today might be a good day to straighten up the house a bit. And oh yeah, reminds me, I've got an end table that I took a major shortcut on, and now I'm kind of glad that I did, because my wife and I have been talking about it. And excuse me, the framework is actually bigger than the actual top. It was kind of I wanted some sort of, I guess, free floating look, but it is fairly bulky. It takes up a lot of space, so I may dismantle it. That shortcut that I had taken, that I'm glad that now that I did take the shortcut, I didn't put glue in my mortise and tenon joints, so I'll be able to dig the caps out that I had made and unscrew the framework, and then narrow it down and put it back together, and put that tabletop on top of the framework, and then tuck the legs up underneath, and just making it narrower. Anyhow, that's what I've been planning on doing. I don't think I've got enough heat on my pan. I'm starting to see some cooking going on. But yeah, that's what we're planning on doing. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go grab my tripod. Be right back. All right. Well, now probably ought to start that microwave. Take about a minute and a half to get those taters warm. Looks like my eggs are cooking real well. I like them sunny side up, and I know there's probably some people that'll give me some grief because of, oh, they're floating in grease. No, that's olive oil. That is olive oil. And look at that. I don't know if you can see those eggs moving around like that. Just a nice old pan. And for a while I wasn't using it. You know, I just kind of wanted it to be an heirloom because it is part of Lodge's history, although it does not carry the Lodge name. It does have, I think I need to do a little video on it. Just let you see the bottom of it and the heat ring that's on the outside edge of it. But yeah, this is what they call a possible Blacklock. And actually, I'm pretty positive that's what it is. But I like it. And then, of course, that pan that you see over there with the lid on it, that's a 1910 Lodge. Yeah, turn the heat off. And that was Lodge's first pan. Yeah, it's still cool. So, get my eggs on the top of the potatoes and get my sauce out. We're gonna call this breakfast done. I hope, like I said, I hope everyone's doing well. Alright, sorry about that little interruption. This phone was out of memory again. This thing's starting to really aggravate me. So I don't know where I got cut off at, but I was talking about that pan that you saw with the lid on it. That's that 1910 Lodge. The old Blacklock you see right there that I just cooked the eggs out of. There's a lot of similarities between the two pans. The way the handles are built. Like I said, when that foundry burned down, they just fired up at a different location, built a new foundry, and called it Lodge. But anyway, I'm gonna put my Louisiana hot sauce on my eggs, and I'm gonna have breakfast. You guys have a super rest of your Sunday, and you guys have a great week coming up. I'm not sure what other than that end table. I actually need to get started on the boat and finish it up. So I think that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. Anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great one.